guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best all-in-one printers. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the all-in-one printers in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best all-in-one printers on the market right now. Coming in number 5, we've got the Xerox B210DNI. Type, laser. Functions, printing only. Input-output capacity, 250-150 sheets. Dimensions, 15 by 13 by 9 inches. If you're simply looking for a reliable monochrome printer for home use, consider the Xerox B210DNI wireless laser printer. The affordable price device can't copy or scan, but it can create single or two-sided black and white prints at up to 31 pages per minute. A PC Mag editor rightfully praised it for being an excellent entry-level, single-function monochrome printer. The Xerox B210DNI needs less than 9 seconds to print a document and has a paper tray with a maximum capacity of 250 sheets. It offers users Wi-Fi connectivity with support for Apple AirPrint and Google Cloud Print, among other wireless standards. The printer is capable of printing two-sided documents, and its standard toner cartridge can deliver up to 1,500 prints before needing replacing. Coming in number 4, HP Tango X. Type, inkjet. Functions, printing only. Input-output capacity, 50 sheets. Dimensions, 15 by 8 by 4 inches. The HP Tango X is the most unique and attractive looking printer we've tested. It's a great option for folks with limited printing needs, who don't have space or the desire to have a bulky plastic eyesore of a printer in their setup. It comes with a soft linen cover that will conceal the printer when you're not using it and unfolds when you are. The cover even doubles as a tray for your documents to land. Given the printer's small size and foldable nature, you're not meant to store blank pages in it, but it's worth mentioning the Tango holds 50 sheets. Although it's not equipped with a true scanner, it comes with a convenient app that lets you scan documents by taking pictures with your phone. The app makes it easy to print to-do lists, shopping lists, and coloring pages in just a few taps. Of course, you can wirelessly print anything you want from your laptop or smartphone too. If you only need to print a document or two every now and then, we think you'll appreciate the Tango X's attractive design, small footprint, intuitive setup, and convenient app. Number 3, HP Color Laserjet Pro, MFP M479 FDW. Type, laser. Functions, print, scan, copy, mobile fax. Input-output capacity, 250, 50 sheets. Dimensions, 17 by 9 by 16 inches. This all-in-one laser printer from HP is pricey but does it all, making it perfect for demanding home or small business users. It can deliver black and white or color prints at a fast 28 pages per minute, as well as dual-sided prints, scans, copies, and faxes. There's even a bypass tray for one-off printing untraditionally sized documents. Thanks to a 4-inch touchscreen, this HP is as easy to use as it is capable. Its connectivity features include Wi-Fi Gigabit Ethernet for a wired connection and a USB input for printing from or scanning to a flash drive. There's also an option to send printing tasks from your smartphone. Business owners will appreciate its suite of embedded security features that'll help protect you against cyber attacks. The printer supports multiple user profiles and allows for PIN-encrypted print jobs, which will keep sensitive information secure. Coming at number 2, HP Deskjet. 4155E. Type: inkjet. Functions: print, scan, copy, mobile, fax. Input-output capacity: 60/25 sheets. Dimensions: 17 by 13 by 8 inches. The Deskjet Plus 4155E all-in-one printer by HP is an excellent option for budget-minded buyers. Priced just below $100, it can reliably print, scan, and copy documents, as well as images. It can even send mobile faxes. Like our top pick from HP, the Deskjet Plus 4155 allows you to access its robust set of features via an intuitive mobile app. However, with up to 8.5 black and white pages, 5.5 in color per minute, it's considerably slower than our best overall pick. It can't automatically deliver two-sided prints, like the mid-range Officejet Pro 8025E either. Regardless, most consumers will still find it plenty capable for home use. Number 1. HP Officejet Pro 9015E. Type: inkjet. Functions: print, scan, copy, fax. Input-output capacity: 250/60 sheets. Dimensions: 17 by 13 by 11 inches. HP's Officejet Pro 9015E is the best all-in-one printer for most buyers. It's packed with easy-to-use features in a reasonably compact form factor with a solid price tag. A Wirecutter editor also praised it for being remarkably easy to set up and use, hitting the sweet spot of speed, print, quality, and reliability in a way that other printers can't match. The inkjet printer can deliver up to 22 black and white or 18 color pages per minute, single or two-sided. It has a maximum input capacity of 250 sheets, as well as an automatic document feeder that can hold up to 35 sheets. We appreciate its intuitive touchscreen interface, its useful app, and we like that it has a USB port for more easily printing photos. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best all-in-one printers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.